case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, the Louisiana Supreme Court heard the case of Cosby v. Holcomb Trucking, Inc., which involved a dispute over building restrictions in Wedgewood Acres subdivision. The Holcombs had purchased a lot without checking public records and built a home and a steel outbuilding. They were accused of violating building restrictions by regularly washing at least one truck per weekend outside their shop, an activity deemed commercial. The trial court ruled that the case was filed within 2 years, as the violation of the building restrictions was not apparent until 2001. The case raised a disagreement between circuit courts in Louisiana regarding the enforceability of building restrictions that require approval from a committee without clear guidelines. The Louisiana Supreme Court ultimately found that the building restrictions had been properly filed, granting constructive knowledge to prospective buyers, and that waivable restrictions did not automatically render covenants unenforceable. The appellate court had erred in substituting its judgment for the trial court's factual determination of prescription. As a result, the case was remanded to the Court of Appeal for consideration of remaining errors. The Holcombs property is now free from the restrictive covenants that had been violated.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.